Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video we'll learn how to connect a Bluetooth device in IQOO Z6 smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to enter settings, then choose Bluetooth and devices from the list. Now you need to enter into the Bluetooth. Now I will take out the TWS. So this one is a Bluetooth device. Now I will take the Bluetooth device out. So it will in pairing mode. Now I turn on the Bluetooth. Then click pair new device. So wait for a few seconds. Now the Bluetooth device is displayed here. So select on that. Now the Bluetooth device is connected successfully. So you can use it for listening audio or watching YouTube videos. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.